La 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 la. You love learning languages? Yo también, me too. Expressing that you also do or have something is easy in Spanish. You just use también. Let's say a friend tells you, tengo un perro, I have a dog. You happen to have one too, so you say, también tengo un perro, I also have a dog. Or simply, yo también, me too. You also know that Juan and Elena got a new dog recently, so you tell your friend, Juan y Elena también tienen un perro. Juan and Elena also have a dog. Great! Now you wonder if your friend has any other pets. He tells you, no tengo gatos, I don't have cats. Neither do you, so you answer using the word tampoco. It is used to answer negatively to a negative statement, meaning not either, neither. Tampoco tengo gatos, I don't have cats either. Or simply, yo tampoco, me neither. What about Juan and Elena? Ellos tampoco tienen gatos, they don't have cats either, pero tienen un conejo, they have a rabbit. What about you?